So before Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will explain about our project, our assignment. In here we make my title is make electropneumatic with two cylinder and the circuit interlock. Use the software first to avoid sim. This is my report project. The circuit diagram like this, and we make some explain how to work this circuit diagram. And then number three, this is a specification of the circuit. We use the single acting cylinder in here. The specification diameter 10 millimeter stroke 100 millimeter, and use the spring return. We also use the single solenoid 5 per 2, and then 3 per 2 single solenoid. The specification voltage is 24-volt DC. So number three is we use the start button. The specification is normally open, and reset button when pitches use the normally close, and then operation voltage is 24 DC. And then number five, we use the relay to pitches. Operation voltage is 24 and used to contact normally open and normally close. The source is the compressor, the high pressure 6 bar, and then power supply DC specification is 24 DC. So this is how to work this machine when simulation. And number five, we will pass the link of my presentation about explaining my project. Then the last is how to work this circuit. And then the last I will explain about how to work my circuit diagram. I use this is a fluid sim software. Before I will explain about some part in here. This is a reset button, and then this is a button switch one. This one is switch two. We also use the two contactor or relay here. We use K1 and K2. This there are some electronic circuit, and then on the right, this is a pneumatic circuit. So I will try to run this circuit like this. We can select the shape in here, triangle, and then before we start, we can push the switch one. When I push the switch one, I one is the cylinder will be will be forward. We can see when I push the switch one, cylinder G1 will be forward, and we cannot start switch 2. Why we cannot start switch 2? Because we use interlocking circuit. When I push this switch 2, cylinder 2 cannot forward because I use interlock circuit. This one circuit for interlocking. So we try to operation cylinder 2. When we operation cylinder 2, we have to turn off the reset button. We can try like this. So we will try to operate cylinder 2 in here. We can turn on the switch 2. Cylinder 2 can go forward. And we also cannot turn on the switch 1 because I use interlocking in here. K1, K1, yes, like that. So before we ignition, we can back to the ready position. We can push the reset button like this, so we can see like this. So I think enough about my presentation. If I have a mistakes, I apologize. So assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.